Okay, today we are going to start our class on the introduction of what algebra. Introduction of algebra. Now, at first, let's try to know what is what algebra. It's a set of what rules, or it's a part of mathematics that is talking of what symbol. And here on algebra, the symbol mainly represents what letters, or can be called as what variable. Letters or variables. So now, for example, if I say I'm having here apple, so if I don't want to use the name apple, and I can abbreviate this apple to be what? To be A. So now, having this apple to be as A, we are taking the form of what? Algebra. So now, as we move further, if we are going to say apple here A, let's try to say we're adding two apples. We are going to say apple here plus what? Apple. So this becomes how many apples? Two apples. Right? In the side of what algebra, this apple now we are going to be what? A plus what? This apple as well is going to be abbreviated to be what? A. So that's why in algebra, when you say A plus A, you're having what? 2A. So now, at first, let's try to simplify this A. Now, this A that you're seeing, it has what? A coefficient of 1. It has a power of 1. And what? A division denominator of what? Of 1. Right? And the aspect of what? Algebra. So now, mind you, I cannot have apple under the properties of algebra. I cannot say I'm having apple here plus what? And can add what? Bananas. I cannot add apple and bananas at the same time. That's why in algebra, under the property of the law says you cannot say A plus B. Oh, it's going to give us what? Again, A plus what? B. In the relation of what? Algebra. So now, if we are going to take a question, let's assume we are going to see question 1 here. If I'm saying I'm having 2A plus 3A, my answer, we are going to add this 2 and the 3, and we take one of the letter. 2 plus 3 can give us what? 5, and the A, both of them are the same. We are going to see what? 5A. But in a case where I'm going to see question 2, I'm having 2A plus 3B. Let's assume this A is apple and this B is what? Bananas. We cannot add two different letters at the same time. We can say 2A plus 3B can give us what? 5AB. Is wrong. Instead, we are going to say 2A plus 3B. This should be our answer. So please, let's try to know this one first. So 2A plus 3B can give us what? Same as what? 2A plus 3B. As well, if I say question 3, I cannot add 2A plus 5. This one, it has an apple and this one does not have apple. So I cannot add both of them, and I can say, let me say 7A. That's wrong. The answer should be 2A plus what? 5. Same as this property as well. So if you're having apple here, and you're having a number without any letter or a not in relating to what? The first one, you're going to have what? The same answer as it is in the question. So let's assume I'm going to see question 4 here. If I'm having 2A plus 3B plus 3A plus 4B. Now let's watch this full question. We are now having 2A plus 3B plus 3A plus 4B. Now what are we going to do? We are going to say collect like terms. So now collect like terms means you are going to collect all letters that are the same one side. The other things that are the same, you put them one side. Now, if you are going to see 2a, what is similar to 2a is what? Plus 3a. Mind you, you take the number with what? With the sign in relation to it. So if we are going to collect like term, don't take the 3a, take it with the sign. So we are going to have 2a here plus 3a. We are having now plus 3b here plus 3b plus 4b. So we have arranged them. We are now having 2a plus 3a plus 3b plus 4b. So now we are going to see 2a plus 3a give us what? 5a. Plus, please don't add this 5a to this 3b, is wrong. Add b, that means let's assume bananas, add them separately. 3b plus 4b. Let's assume these are bananas. 3 bananas plus 4 bananas can give us what? 7 bananas. So this will give us 3b plus 4b will give us what? 7b. So this should be our final answer. Why? Because this one, let's assume this one here is what? Apple, and this one here is what? Banana. The properties of indices can tell you that you cannot add two different letters. Same way you cannot subtract two different letters. As this same property, you cannot be having question. Let's assume question 5 here. I'm having what? 5 carrots. Let's assume I'm having 5 carrots. How can I give you? I'm having carrots. How can I give you apple? Can this one work? No, it cannot. I'm having 5c. C is, let's assume, is talking of what? Carrot, and this here is talking of what? Apple. Someone says, oh, please borrow me or give me 3 apple, but I'm not holding apple. I'm not having apple, right? I'm having carrot. So if you are going to ask me in relation of what? Carrot, I can give you, but I cannot have 5c minus 3a. The answer is going to be what? 5c minus what? 3a. So these are some of the rules in relation to what? To algebra. These are some of the foundations in relation to algebra. So let's assume we take question 6 again, a full question where we're having 2x here plus 3y plus 4x plus y plus 10. Now these questions, it contains x, y, and what? A number, a constant. So now we are having x. We are going to do the same thing again, collect like terms. So this time I'm going to abbreviate it to be CLT. So now we are going to say 2x plus 4x, 2x plus 4x plus 3y plus y plus 10. So now I've collected all the x on one side, all the y on one side, and the 10 is constant, so we're going to put it last. So now we're going to say 2x plus 4x can give us what? 6x plus 3y plus y. Mind you, this y, whenever you're seeing a letter without any number, it has a what? A coefficient of 1, but it is invisible. It's invisible. So on this side it has 1. So you're going to say 3 plus this 1, which gives us what? 4. But mind you, it's not there. The rule of mathematics, you cannot say 1y is what? Instead of you saying 1y, you can say what? Just y. So you're going to say 3 plus this invisible 1 here is going to give us what? 4y plus this 10 that you're having. Mind you, you cannot add x, y because the letters are different. And this one here, under this rule, says that if you're having a number with letter, cannot add it to a number without a letter. So you're going to arrive at the same answer. Mind you, we are having x here as differ, y here as differ, and the 10 here is a constant. You do not have anything in relation to what? A letter. So this should be our final answer. So for the next class, we're going to do what? Additional questions in relation to what? To algebra. As we progress, we learn more. So please subscribe to the channel.